Hello my people, today is the day. We are about to show you one of the best cars. Wacha nipige round, nisimamishe, then we talk a bit. Sawa? Yes. Sasa, as I was telling you guys, today we have a special car, and this is a locally assembled 2017. Locally assembled 2017. And do you know the selling point of this car is what? Only 7,000 mileage. You think I'm joking? Cameraman, show them what I'm saying. Only 7,000 mileage. In fact, since this car inunuliwe, even the first service has ijafika. Service yake ya kwanza ya 10,000 haijafika. You can imagine 7,000 kilometers only on this perfect beauty, and I've told you it's 2017. Gari mpya inanuka upya tu. Sawa? So let me switch off this beast, then we talk from outside, okay? Now, this is what I'm talking about, guys. This is the 2017 locally assembled. Of course, wale mnajua, by the time we were at 2017, the number plate was KCQ, but this is 2017. Remember, the current new cars we are importing is 2017, 2018. So this one iko pale ligi. And now the good thing, guys, I've told you the mileage is only 7,000 genuine. Since when this car was bought, even the first service ijafanywa. Venye ilifanywa mara ya kwanza, the second one, I mean, it has not yet been done. So as we know, this is a 2,400cc. Hii ni wale watu wa kazi. Those people who like carrying stuffs, maybe when ufanya biashara, or you like, let me say, a farmer, especially farmers. Even contractors can carry something with this, though contractors wanapenda zile double cab. But if you're a farmer, or when mfanya biashara, you like carrying bulky things, this one can be good. You can also go and fit the other car housing kenye kana kuanga hapa, you put your stuffs here. So this car is clean, as you can see, original paint, the tires as new as they look, very nice, no problem whatsoever. But hakuna kitu kizuri ambacho kinakosa makosa. I only have, me, I'm a truthful man, just like Gashagwa. So I only have one issue. Hii kitu ilivunjika ikapotea. My carelessness. Tunaweza tafuta, we fit. This is the only thing that is missing on this car. But that's something we can fix before that. As you can see, cover ya huku iko. Ni ile tu cover imetoka. But everything else is just perfect, guys. Gari ya 7,000 mileage is not a joke. Ushaona gari 7,000, that's why it's locally assembled. So if you're outside there, you need this car. Si ukuje ununue. Pita, wacha tuonyeshe ndani venye inakaa. Come from the other side. Yes. So as you can see, tena gari tulikuja nayo huku, tufanyie huku karibu na beach, yani mandhari mazuri. Mileage ni ndogo, hata by the time unakuja, sitakuwa nimeongeza tu 1 km mileage. That's why I'm using this car. So viti ziko sawa. We have it's fabric seats, but tumeweka leather cover seats, which is okay. This is a 5 gear manual, 5 gear manual. As you can see, gari iko sawa, kuna ka infotainment system hapa na radio yake iko sawa, climate control ziko hapa, vents ziko hapa. So it is just beautiful. You come to the steering wheel, controls ziko, kuna navigation, kuna voice recognition, which means ukiconnect na simu yako, you can pick your calls, hang your calls from there. So basically it is as simple as that. Unajua hizi ni gari za kazi, so no more complications, sijui vitu nini na nini. It's as simple as that. Of course it's 2 power. Tumezoanga kusema 4 power window. This is 2 power window because we only have 2 window sides. Other than that, we have big vents there. I've said it's 2,400cc. What else, Peter, have I not said? I think that's it. Tuangalie nyuma. You look at the back, it is clean. Of course, hapa tumeweka this black cover. It is very nice. Gari iko sawa kabisa. So unachukua, unafanya nini? Inaitwa nini, Peter? Unafanya biashara yako without any doubt. And guys, what we are telling you is that us, we are genuine. Gari ziko showroom. You come ready, papers are there. Gari kama hii hata tutasumbuana. Unafika hata siji test drive, unaenda ni nini? Na wewe mwenyewe umeona nikifanya test drive. Gari ni mbichi. Peter, let's stand from this side. Gari ni mbichi. Hakuna yani wasiwasi wote unaweza kuwa nao. So you come very fast. You buy this car. Hii gari imeingia. Though we have also other locally assembled pickups, but hii nayo ndio ime-stand out. Tuko na hata na moja ya 1.45 but this car asking is 3 million and of course is negotiable. So ukija tutashuka kidogo sababu Hii ukienda kununua kama gari mpya size zinatoka na hizi za 2018 zile za kuimport. By the way, they are going with around 3.4 there. But so if I say 3 million and it's negotiable. Nakumbuka hizo zenye una import zimekuja na mileage almost 100. So gari zimetumika hata zimechoka. Hii imetumika kidogo, very slightly. So what are you waiting for? Come and we'll still negotiate a lot when you come to the showroom. Respect this logo. This is the Toyota Hilux, gari ya kazi. Of course we have others, the D-Max and everything, but this happens to be the best. And I've said it's original paint, untouched. Yeah, we were forgetting to show them the engine bay. Uone venye gari ni clean. I've said it's 2400 cc diesel, of course, 5 gear manual. Show them this. Look at how clean that engine is. It's clean, not touched, nothing. No screw has been turned here. As clean as it looks, guys. And the price we are giving you is very good. Only 3M, and it's still negotiable upon arrival when you come. So this is a clean car. I'll not take much of your time, guys. If you're outside there, you need this car, please give us a call so that at least you get this. And I've told you we have other pickups also, just to mention. Yeah. So please hurry up, come get yourself a beautiful car. Till the next one, guys. Bella ciao.